leaving Camping Viorna and we're heading to
Torla, Ordesa.
Ordesa. We don't know where we're going to stop. It's 6 hours, 6 minutes away, so we'll probably, depending on how tired Andy gets, we'll stop along the way.
Hairpin bends to get here. Half an hour up from Potes, but this is the reward. Hello, Michelle. We are literally at cloud level. Wow. Just met these guys here, Sam, Adam. Yeah. And Sam is an amazing drone flyer. I've just seen him flying off miles away under the bridges, far more braver than I am. So I'm actually just nicking his footage now to put in our vlog. so thanks very much. You're welcome.
Babe, oh God, I hope this is right, because we're not going to get back up again. Oh my good God, I feel quite sick. Oh my Lord. Sure, it's not just for tents and cars. I don't think it's for motorhomes. Oh Lordy. Oh my God, look at this bridge. Oh, it's tiny. Oh, baby. Oh, I don't like it. Oh, there's a motorhome. We're all right. Yeah, there's a motorhome here. Don't hit the pole. Don't hit the pole. Incredible. Always have faith in your husband. I always knew he'd come through on it.
Arrived about 20 minutes ago. What a fabulous location this is. Look at that mountain behind. We're going to be up that at some point during this holiday. But for now, we're going straight out. Oh, this is nice. I thought we'd have to walk back up the road, but there's a footpath that leads up to the town. Quite a tricky footpath in the wet. Forecast is good though, so hopefully this will all dry off. Number one, or has number one on TripAdvisor, so we're going to see if we can get in.
Morning! What a beautiful morning it is. We've just moved Katie onto the side because we were a bit in the way in front of all the tents earlier, so we're more out the way for them, but still magnificent views, beautiful. We're off on a bike ride now up on the mountain.
Wow.
Yeah.
That looks good. This is a very special place, the Val de Bujarela. How beautiful is that bridge and the stream, and valleys all around. Wow. Do you like it?
I do. I'm just glad you're fully clothed and you're not trying to jump off that bridge like you mentioned.
I want to jump in, she won't let me.
No, can't.
Could you even make this any more beautiful if you tried? Just look at the grass at the side, it's all like it's mown perfectly. Trees planted perfectly, river placed perfectly. It's just so beautiful.
Is that it? Is that it? Is that it?
The things you do for YouTube. Right at the end of the track now, but that was well worth coming along here. You can see a couple of 7.5 metre motorhomes up here, so you're good to come up here. Beautiful location, lots of places to walk from here, beautiful stunning rivers. The only thing is it's not very close to anything. It's a long way down to the town, but you know, if you like nature, then this is the place to come. And also, yeah, the refuge here, didn't have one, but the burgers looked absolutely amazing. Last night they were full, so we made a reservation. The menu looks amazing. Michelle looks amazing.
Oh.
And even I've had a wash.
You still look dirty.
So this is where we're going. El Duende.
No wine included in this one, but it has got, look, Michelin 2019, so it's going to be good food, isn't it? Look at it in here.